Guys, I'm showing you one of the greatest adventure ever.
Can you do it? Whoa! I was late.
What are they doing? Oh yeah. Keep going. Sorry. What are you doing? Are you not going to drink it? The water. Aha. No. Everyone, hope you're having a wonderful day. We are at Erin Ijesa Waterfall. It's called Oluwafemi Waterfall, and some people call it Erin Ijesa Waterfall. So yeah, we got here very early. The guy who's gonna open the gates, I guess that's him running, and he's almost here. So we're gonna see everything. He said there is 7 layers of waterfall. We have 7 layers, right? He's busy playing with a lady.
7 layers.
7 layers. Oh, great, wonderful. That's him. He's here. You're the one who's gonna open the gate for us, right? All right. We just passed the gate and we were charged 100 naira each.
1,000 naira.
1,000 naira each. And then he said, if you're holding a camera, you'll be charged 2,000. So we ended up paying 6,200, and he said he's gonna charge 200 for the car, to park the car. So we bargained and we ended up paying 6,200. So we're about to start climbing now, and he said the place is quite tall, and he said we're going to climb like 7 steps or 7 layers. I don't know. Let's get there. Let's experience it. Okay, they do cultural dance here. So we're about to start climbing. Let's go. That's good. One step at a time. One step at a time. Jazzy is having back pain and he decided to go back. I told him go back. He said he wants to go. He said he already reached the halfway. I said okay. What are you guys doing there? Is that water clean? Oh yeah, now put your head there. Wash your head. Wash your leg. Yeah. Are you drinking it? Good girl. What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
What are you doing? Are you not gonna drink it? The water. Aha. What do you want to do?
Wow.
It's cold. No. All right, we move. What's there?
There's some shit.
For chilling, right?
For chilling if you're tired. If you get tired and you're outside,
You can go there and chill.
you can go there and chill.
Wow.
So she got me this and said we can lick it. I remember, I think I've licked this before. So we have 4 here. Wow. It's not ripe. It's not ripe yet. This is shaking already. This is old and no renovation. You see? Nigeria, please try to renovate stuffs, man. Let us try to renovate stuffs. Azzy, what are you doing? I am walking. What are you doing? You need to be careful here. Everything is even leaking. Well done. Well done. Well done. Jazz, are you tired? Are you tired? You can't be tired right now. Are you tired?
No.
I know you are not tired. You can't be tired. How far? So, are you tired?
No, it's the light now. I want to get the stones layer.
You want to get to the 7th layer? Okay. Best of luck. Oh, look at this beautiful. Oh, look at this place. Where are we? The forest?
Yeah.
Oh, you're back now. Oh, this is another style. So a quick pineapple before climbing the second stage.
Guys, we missed a lot.
What are they doing? Oh yeah. Keep going. Sorry, oh, don't fall. Be careful. That's good.
Okay.
Well done. I'll meet you up there. Damn! Look at where we're coming from. Oh my God.
Well, like, we're really in love with people this time around.
You enjoy your trip?
Very happy.
We met her at Osun Oweno Festival, and she decided to come on this trip with us, including Johnson. So Abigail and Johnson, we met them at Osun Oweno Festival, and they are here with us on this trip. So you said, are you taking us to your place, your hometown?
I actually want.
Where is your hometown? Benue.
Yes.
So if she's gonna be kind enough to take us along to Benue, we're gonna follow her and explore the place as well. But right now, let's go down there. She's gonna be sitting here. Look at everywhere. Oh my God. You want to come? Are you sure? You have to. Are you sure? Don't follow. I'll carry you. Take it. Keep coming. Come over here. You serious?
is beautiful.
Oh! How was it? That's all. We're going to the third stage. You see? Oh my God. Okay. We don't need the third one, or which one?
Yes.
Okay. But let's see. At least let's see. Let's document it. It's even dark here. I have to brighten my phone. Ooh. So that's the third side, but we're not going there. We're going to the fourth section, the level 4. Then till we get to level 7. Look at how everybody is walking. You can see that it's not a child's play. It's not meant for kids, right? Yes. How did you get there? It was easy.
Yeah.
Really? Wow. Now I see. The roots, right? Okay. Oh, let's go. All right. Let me climb. Let me climb so that I can record you coming. Ooh. Where are they? Okay, enjoy. Ooh, yeah. I almost fell. You know, it's not easy holding the camera and climbing or moving in the bush. Ooh. Sorry. You 100. You're trying. You can do it. You can do it. I trust you. Don't fall. Make sure you are holding something. That's a long way down. Make sure you are holding something. Hold it tight. Your boyfriend already left also.
Which boyfriend?
Where is he?
Up here.
Is that the third place or the fourth?
Fourth.
All right, let's go. You can pass through. Okay. There are branches you can hold here. Oh, this is true adventure. Yeah. Look at where we are. You see that? We're like on top the mountain. Don't worry, it's gonna be hard to go back down there, but we can do it. Or should we just quit?
No.
We shouldn't. What?
No, not after the fall.
You want to reach the top?
Yes.
She was just complaining, going back, and now I asked her, should we quit? She said no. That we should get to the top side. All right, Taiwo, move.
I'm moving.
Oh, this place is hard, though.
I'm on this my phone.
Sorry there. Where is he? Ha! Can you go down there? Do you want to go down there?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure. That was it. I'm not sure. Eh.
Oh my god. Look at that. See the
Wait. You can do it. You can do it. Let's just rush there and come down. We can chill a little at number 2. I think number 2 is fun. Yeah, compared to all other places. So let's keep going. We're in the middle of nowhere. On the rock of what's the name?
Oluwafemi Waterfall.
Waterfall. We just passed number 5. This is number 6, and it's deep down inside there. So we're not gonna be going. We want to just check number 7 out. That's number 6 down there. We should go close to this one. As it is deep down, we can't go. So we are almost at number 7, right? And I can feel mosquito biting me. We are at the top, like top. Are we gonna see the village?
Yeah.
Are we there?
More.
Yeah. So he said, just a little bit. Guys, I'm showing you one of the greatest adventure ever. This is Oluwafemi, and we are almost at number 7. So we've been walking for like 3 hours plus. Jazzy is back to where he is. We left home around after 7. Look at the landscape. And look at that. We're at the top now. Anything for you guys. We're enjoying it so far. So, but the most fun place you can experience is number 2, Waterfall. There we really had fun. The atmosphere there is just wonderful. But the other side, the other part, is like unkept. It's not like unkept, it's unkept. This is Nigeria. You know, I'll be sincere with you guys. They are not taking care of this place. That's the honest truth. Because I expect to see some kind of nice renovation and everything. But nope. So we couldn't check number 3, number 4, number 5 water because the place is kind of not well, you know. Someone can actually get injured there, and it's been a long time someone has been there. So we're on the rock now, and there are trees here on the rock. Oh, we just passed. So CAC, that's a church. Imagine you coming to pray up here and you walk miles, climb mountains just to come and pray to your God. You know, there must be breakthrough by fire, by force. It's raining now, and I can see some kind of stone. What does it mean? It's just like some people came here and they'll be like, let me arrange this stone here. This is me here. Ato Lifestyle is here. Yay. Man, the stone are sharp. The rock is sharp. Okay, you want to arrange your own as well? It's nice, you know, arranging something. It's raining.
I'll do mine too.
Okay, you see, it is wonderful.
That should be on top. That should be.
It doesn't matter. You arrange your life as you want. It is your life. It is your space. You done? Yeah, it's raining. It's raining, guys. We're at the top. I couldn't believe she can do it because she's just so determined, and like I'm gonna go. And thanks to our tour guide. It's been wonderful. Look at his 6 packs. Man. You know, when you go to places and you meet wonderful people, I think if you're a great person, you'll meet great people. So meeting him is like, it favors me because I'm happy to be here. If I did not meet him, I won't be coming to this place, and I've wanted to come to this place for a very long time. So I met them, and Taiwo is here. Even though Taiwo can't do all the stress, he's just trying. Jazzy is down there, and now we are here. He brought us here. Eh? We still have the 7th one there. Oh, I thought. Thank you, sir. All right, we thought this is the last place, but thank God we met these wonderful guys. They actually want money. He said, if you're gonna snap with me, you're gonna give me money. I was like, oh my God, everything is all about money. But they are nice, they are wonderful. So they told us, oh, she's arranging another stone. So they told us we can still keep going, and the final stage is up there. So a lot of people have documented this place. I don't know if they did the full video on how they climbed this place. So, because man, it is something else. So, where are we gonna pass? It should be this side. We should be going to this side. See everywhere. We're lost. Wow.
This is second to Sambisa Forest.
Second to Sambisa Forest. Oh my God. Now we're about to enter the bush.
Again.
What are we looking for precisely?
Number 7.
Number 7. I don't know if we're on the right path or we are lost. I don't know. Baba said there is water here, so should be. I'm walking with my bare foot here. My palms, my foot are very soft. So, and right now I can feel that it's a little bit sore. So I don't know what's going on yet until we get home. All right, so we decided to turn back because we're not seeing anything, and I think we're lost. So we're going back down, and it's gonna take a long time. So if we're gonna chill a little bit at number 2, then I'm gonna record. If not, we'll be going home. We need to eat. Then we'll find a street food and eat something. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, let's do Tarzan. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This place is tricky. You have to be careful. This lady must not fall down here, because you can't even fall down here. You hit your head on the rock. This is really dangerous. I know going back will be a little bit tough and challenging. Now there is no branch to hold, so you have to go down and hold the rock. Oh, what's that? Be careful, please. The rest is rubbish. Here is my slippers. What are these things? Okay, hands. All right. So, well done. Good go. Nice one. This is a lovely tour. So my advice to anybody coming here is either you stay at the number 1 or up here in the number 2. The number 2 is quite risky, but you enjoy the waterfall more. But don't even attempt going up there. It's not worth it. You don't want to come and enjoy yourself. It's dangerous. It's very dangerous. All right, we are here. My legs are shaking. Oh. It was fun, like really fun. Oh man, I can't wait to see Jazzy. He's really complaining right now because of his back. His back is really aching, and he's the one driving us, and we still have miles to go. So we need to eat. I used some drugs. I did not eat yet, so it's almost 12. We need to get something to eat and find something and look for a pharmacy where Jazzy can get some drugs. All right, we'll go for street food next. We've been having fun. We've climbed. Hey, Jazzy! Alright guys, we'll okay, come over. So we're done here. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, it was a really great experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. We're gonna see you in another video. We're going for street food and get some drugs for Jazzy. Jazzy is feeling malaria. Another thing, when you come to tourist attraction like this, you need to be very careful. So on our way out, when we're about to get in the car, we just noticed some guys just came from nowhere and they were like, just drop something, and we had to tell them we dropped a lot, so we can't give you anything. Okay, with paracetamol, right? So we told this one costs 2,000, right? How much is now the paracetamol? You need to use 7-Up with salt. Oh, are you not going to shake it? Sorry. Oh, so because he said he wants to vomit and he needs to take this before taking drug off. Hi, say cheese. Say cheese. Alpha, thank you. Alpha, look here, thank you. Thank you. All right, we're going. We just paid for everything. It's 2,300, and let's go find something to eat. All right, we are driving out now. We're leaving. Let me just take one. Give me one. You guys, send money to our patron for Jazzy, because this trip won't be successful without him. He needs to drive us around. Oh my God, this is hot. Or you can send it to my dollar account. Send money to my dollar account for Jazzy, please. You know, the mosquito around here, damn. And we still have some places to go. But if you can relax for like 2 days, yeah, just a day, you'll be fine. All right. Malaria is not a small thing, you know now. You guys know now. This is corn, and we are here to eat some